So when the height of the prism was 3 centimeters, the surface area was 162 centimeters squared. But when the height doubled to 6 centimeters, the surface area went up to 252 centimeters squared. So to figure out the percent increase, you first have to figure out how much did it increase. So you're going to do 252 minus 162, so that's 90 centimeters squared. And then we're going to take that 90 and we're going to divide it by the original amount. So 90 divided by 162. And when you do that, you end up with 0.5555 and just many, many more fives. So to figure out the percent, we multiply by 100. That's the same as moving the decimal point over 2 places. And it becomes 55.5%. But if you read the problem, it said that you need to round to the nearest percent. So here's the percent. We look to the right. This 5 is between 5 and 9, so that means that the other 5 is going to go up. So it becomes 56%. For assessments, you just keep it at 56.